Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. First, let me introduce our group first. There are 5 members in our group, including me. Me myself, Nuraini binti Yusuf. Second, Noraya binti Adeni. Third, Elis anak Layang. Fourth, Cecilia anak Marikan. Fifth, Nur Ashikin binti Abdillah. What is public personnel administration? In the field of public administration, personnel administration is a crucial component. Personnel management, manpower management, labor relation, industry relation, employer relation, human resource management, and so on are some of the terms used to describe it. Since the 1930s, the field of research has grown in popularity. Public personnel administration concept. Practice and policies need to carry out people aspect of the management job. First, it refers to the management of organization resource, which is the people or employer.
Number 2. It serves to enhance the contributions of the employees to create effective organization. Number 3. Within Malaysian public service context, it is administered by Public Service Department. Two importance of practicing good public administration. Number 1. Strengthening the institutions of work. As we all know, lots of companies have been affected during pandemic. As an employer should given the best way to help their employee career. Working environment with the pandemic has a lot of changes and may affect employee time schedule for work and mind health. As we all know, government has managed a Movement Control Order (MCO) the whole state during early of COVID-19. During the MCO, economic sector have been shut for a long time. The government has reopened an economic after vaccine program.
Implement of workplace control. First, safety and health of worker. It helps company to make any progress of work and has been delayed during MCO. Second, risk prevention. To prevent worker from COVID-19, administration should manage new work schedule or do test kit if have any type of symptom. 3 challenge of public administration in Malaysia during pandemic COVID-19. Social distancing. The Ministry of Health Malaysia defined close contact of confirmed COVID-19 case as being in social presence of within 1 meter from a confirmed case for a duration of not below than 15 minutes. Thus, the recommended social distancing for public is to be apart from each other at distance not less than 1 meter. Solution. First, work from home where and when possible. Second, avoid large and small gathering in public space like restaurant or closed space.
Economic crisis. The undesired impact of the lockdown, it is damaging impact on a country's economy, which may plunge a country into a recession with widespread unemployment. The solution that Malaysia government has done, such as build an economy resilience through a stimulus package known as Prihatin, to improve people's economy. Malaysia government also regenerate and restart the economy on a structured and controlled basis. Movement Control Order. Malaysia started the Movement Control Order when the numbers of COVID-19 cases started to escalate during the second wave and implemented the MCO. The MCO incorporates 3 key measures such as implementation of border control, control of public movement, and prohibition of public gatherings. As for the solution, Malaysia closed its international border entry points except for foreigners leaving the country and Malaysians returning from overseas. All non-essential workplaces, commercial establishments, and services were ordered to close down so that all the Malaysians confined at their home and were only allowed to venture out either to perform duties, to purchase supply, food delivery, to seek healthcare or medical advice.
Conclusion. Even though COVID-19 is a global pandemic, expression of the epidemic may differ from one country to another. Malaysia, as a developing country with limited resources, face mounting challenges in responding to the crisis. However, with good cooperation between government agencies and the public, the country managed to overcome the first two waves of the endemic.